30 days spoken Maasai language and culture orientation. My name is Teto Oletutumam and I welcome you to day 2. Today we look at gender and pronoun system in Maasai. We are going to try to understand the different gender forms, masculine and feminine, also the place forms and their everyday usage. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to do a few things. The first and most important one is to recognize how gender categories shape Maasai nouns. The second is you will be able to distinguish masculine and feminine and place forms. The third is you will be able to use pronouns correctly in singular and in plural, and you'll also be able to apply these in sentences. I'm also going to share with you some password phrases. You could say Lomon Obolunkirarot. Shall we dive in? Let's get in. To understand the Ma gender system. In Maasai language, nouns are marked by gender and number. This is central to the culture because it reflects roles, identity, and relationships. There are three main noun classes. The first noun class is masculine, which is all or il in singular and in plural. Example, Oltasat for elder or Iltasati for elders in plural. The second gender form is feminine, which is prefix of en and in for singular and plural. Example, Entasat for lady and Intasati for ladies in plural. The third gender form is place, and this is prefixed by en in singular or in in plural. Example, eweji for a place and iwejitin for places. I really hope that you are having a wonderful time here with us at Ol'Aimerri and you are enjoying 30 days spoken Maasai language and culture orientation. Let's now look at personal and reflective nouns. I am going to mention them in singular, first in English and then in Maasai, and I would wish you to practice. So when you say I, this is Nanu. When you say you, that is Ye. When you say him or her, that is Ninye. You can pause the video and practice pronouncing. In plural again in English, we or us